cookies, and welcome back to another video. I want to show you how I style my shoes, my purse, and my outfit on a budget. Let's get into it. These are my Air One Brooklyn boots in metallic silver, and I love the height on these. I love wearing a stacked heel, and I think they look so good with my jeans, and they look so cute with my Coach Sequins studio bag. So let's get into the outfit. This outfit is my Target jeans for $30, my sweater from Ross from $14.99, my Michael Kors belt for, I don't know, $12, $15, and my little shirt from Karl Lagerfeld. Too cute. The thing about it is, it's so nice and toasty and warm right now. It's like 80 degrees, but when you go on the inside, it's gonna be freezing. So you best to have your sweater or your jacket, and you best to look cute because it's cute. Then sets off an outfit like a red lipstick, and this lipstick is my Dior 999, and my Karl Lagerfeld t-shirt. It's the cute. So thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, deuces.